Well, good afternoon, Diamond Painters. DP Crazy Lady, it's 3:52 p.m. It's the 9th, it's Saturday, it's November 2024, and the new Craft Day PR package has arrived. It just came about 10-15 minutes ago. Promised I'd show this, and then I'll do another video later tonight on my explanation of things. But anyway, okay, this is all about New Craft Day. So, and I told them I needed it by the 10th, and it came today. So they were very, very good at delivering their promise. And hopefully nothing got broke in the shipment. So, and it did come in a box. The one came in a box, so that's really good. I hope this is what I had picked. Okay. Let's see. I can find. Let me get this open. Oh my goodness. There we go. I hope it's the one I picked. So we'll see. Okay, there's the stand. Here's the drills. I'll show you those in a moment. Let's see here. Come on. Yes. Okay. It is the one I chose. Oh, I hope you can see this. It is pretty. I wanted something for my table for Christmas, and I thought this was nice. It's one-sided, doesn't matter. There are numerous ones to pick from, and I chose this one because it looked Victorian, and you know, I like that style. And there will be a link in the description below to show you what they look like. Okay, there's the stand, and I believe there's some plastic on it too. I'm not sure to remove, but here's your stand, and it's just a pen, wax, and a boat. And here are the drills. There's some pretty colors here. I know I didn't pick one that was purple, so oh well. Oh, he's got stars in them and things. Oh, these are beautiful. Here's kind of gold. Oh, these are really beautiful. You got little stars on them, in pink and then in white. And then here are some, like a green color stars. And then there's your larger. I hope you could see these because I can't see the camera. So, okay. So, I think there are like 10 or 12 to pick from or more. I'm not even sure. They're really nice ones. But this is really pretty. This is really pretty. And it's sticky. It is. Oh yeah. But I want to, this is one of the ones I will finish and do a video of to show you what it looks like. So I hope you can see it. It's really pretty. Really, really pretty. Okay. So, The next, which I only got picked 2 items. I only picked the 2. And this is a good size one. So, I am so hoping this turns out. I don't know when I'll be able to get to it with everything else that I have that I'm doing, want to do or feel like doing. But we'll see. It has 24 colors. And get the colors out of here first, because I believe it's around. Yeah, it's the typical boat wax pen, and they're pre-packaged, pre-bagged. There's the colors. Can't guess what it is, right? Okay, because you're all used to me animals and gnomes and things like that. Well, kind of gnomes. Oh, this is nice. Here we go. Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs. Look at that. Oh, I can't pick it up. I can't. And it's very, very readable. And it's around. The little tiny picture up here is hard to see. But it is around. There are 24 colors. It is a 55 by 45 centimeter. Not sure what that is in inches. I'm sure you guys will figure that one out. I'm going to flatten it out after and hang it in my closet, because that'll be one of the ones I want to do. Like I said, I don't care for Disney, but I always did like Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs, because I like the dwarfs. And I'd have to go through them and remember their names again. So some of them are quite obvious, but that is so pretty. It's, like I said, very well defined, and hopefully the colors are good. Yeah, they have the colors they should have in the faces and things. So, can you see it? I don't know. I can't tell. But I will have the link in the description below on New Craft Day. I appreciate them so much getting this here when I needed it. This was the one that it came because it was some money on it, where they had the wrong logistic company or something. So this one, so they resent what I requested, which was excellent. So yeah, I'm going to straighten this all out, and it seems to straighten out really good. There's no major creases in it. It's just, folded a little. So, okay, so we have the Snow White 7 Dwarfs, 55 by 45, 24 colors. It's a round. And then we have my Christmas ornament, Christmas decoration, which is really beautiful. That is really beautiful. I do like this. And it'll take no time at all, and I'll have it finished and show it when it's done. So, not a real long video. I'm going to be late making supper. I haven't really felt like eating in the last week or so. So, I'm going to finally cook today. I haven't cooked in a week. So you'll have a good evening and good weekend. And if I don't get back to you on Sunday, I'll try and do a video, like I said, explaining things. So have a good weekend. Enjoy the rest of your Saturday. Thanks for looking at New Craft Day. Check them out, please. All the links will be in the description below. They communicate really, really well. Really well. Uh, so, have a good one. Love you guys. Hugs. Deepy Crazy Lady. I'm out.